everyone, good day. In today's video I will show you how can you set a custom post to as your homepage. So for this, in last video I showed you in settings readings area you can make any page to your homepage, and also you can define your post page from these settings. Okay, so there is no option to make a specific post to or as your homepage. In this video we will show how can you do that. Okay, so let's say you have a post, let's say there is currently one post, hello world post. Okay, I want to make this post as my homepage. Okay, so first of all I will click install a new plugin. It's called page links to. I'll click on install now. I will activate the plugin. Now let's say I want to create I want to make this hello world as my this specific post, this hello world post as my homepage. Okay, so what I will do, first of all I will click a new add a new page. Let's give it a name, homepage. Or just home. Okay, so after that from here, from this section, page links to a custom URL. This is my custom URL. Now I will publish. Okay, now I will go to the dashboard area again. After that, in my settings, readings area, static page, home page, I will select this home as my this home page as my home page. I click on save changes. Now if I visit my site, see, this is my home page. Okay, so thus you can make a custom post as your home page. Okay, so another way around is for any custom post type, just make a page and copy the content of that post to that page. Okay, or another way is by this plugin. Okay, so here is a plugin. I will give the link of the plugin to your to the video description for your reference. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in next one.